Python Matplotlib figure title overlaps axis label when using Twiny. I am trying to plot two separate quantities on the same graph using Twiny as follows. And the data is presented fine, but I am having the problem that the figure title is overlapping with the axes labels on the secondary x-axis so that it's barely legible. I wanted to post a picture example here, but I don't have a high enough rep yet. I'd like to know if there's a straightforward way to just shift the title directly up a few tens of pixels, so that the chart looks prettier.
I'm not sure whether it is a new feature in later versions of Matplotlib, but at least for 1.3.1, this is simply. This also works for plt.subtitle, but not, yet, for plt.label, etc.
Forget using plt.title and place the text directly with plt.text. An over-exaggerated example is given below.
I was having an issue with the X label overlapping a subplot title. This worked for me. Before. After. Reference. This URL.
If you put backslash and right after your title string, the plot is drawn just below the title. That might be a fast solution too.
You can use pad for this case.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.